In this video, I am going to show you how to reset your Lenovo laptop to factory default settings. Here is my Lenovo Ideapad Slim 3. I am going to use the Novo button to reset my laptop to factory default settings. If you have the Novo button on your Lenovo laptop, you can use this button and reset your laptop to factory default settings. Let's see how we can do that. First thing which you need to do is you need to turn off your laptop. Here you can see that I am turning off my laptop, and take a SIM ejector tool like this and see where your Novo button is placed. For my Lenovo Ideapad Slim 3, it is placed on the right side to the left of power button. Simply take the SIM ejector tool and insert in this hole, just press once. You can see the lights on the keyboard. Now you can see the Novo button menu. Use the up and down arrow keys to select system recovery. You need to select system recovery. Hit enter. Before proceeding to the next step, make sure you have taken the complete backup of your important data on your laptop. You will get 4 options. You need to use the down arrow and select troubleshoot. Here you can see that reset your PC. Hit enter. Now you will get 2 options, reset this PC, advanced option. You need to select this first option, reset this PC. Hit enter. Now you will get 2 options, keep my files, remove everything. Select remove everything, hit enter. Now you will get 2 options, cloud download, local reinstall. I am selecting local reinstall. Now you will get 2 options, just remove files or full clean drive. I am going with the full clean drive. Now you will get this option, reset this PC. Click on reset. This whole process will take some time, so I am going to pause this video and I will get back to you once it is done. Now it is installing the files on your laptop. In this process, your laptop will restart multiple times. If you don't have the battery life, plug in the charger to your laptop. Now you can see that it is asking you to select the country. It means that we have successfully reset our Lenovo laptop to factory default settings. Just go through the setup process. It is pretty easy. So that's it guys. In this way, you can reset your Lenovo laptop to factory default settings using the Novo button hole. Hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.